Hello, Hawkeye, Holler Nation, stand up and welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas. The day is here. It is time for the finale for a Merry Monster Xmas. I got my festive gear on, red Bass Pro hat, a red sweatshirt that's way too small so I cut it up, white shirt, and my jingle shorts. Oh yeah, jingle shorts all the way. Now, we have 24 qualifying trucks, and we have 6 former kings ready to do battle. Now, our number one king, our king right now, he's not gonna race. He's just along for the show. You know what? Let's take you trackside and show you what's come down. We've had a little bit of snow here at the hauler, just a little bit. Little flurries here and there, but nothing too bad. Got some nice blue winter sky going on. We're gonna have a hell of a time. Hopefully you guys are ready. I know I am. If you're new here, do yourself a favor, subscribe, ring that bell, become part of the Hawkeye Holler Nation today. Your home for adult diecast racing. Here in the 515, especially monster truck diecast racing, this is your home. This is where you want to be. Huge thank you to my pit crew members. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, supporting the cause. Now, to trackside. Again, we have 24 qualified trucks. Oh my gosh. 24 days of epic monster truck racing. We have our former kings. Oh my gosh, look at him. Just chilling in the snow there. Got this little guy. He's announcing. We'll check back in with him later. Our current monster truck king. Just hanging out, enjoying the atmosphere. What do we got going on down here? Oh, look at this. Lightning McQueen and Mater put on their winter best. Oh my gosh. And boy, oh boy, do I have some surprises along the way for today's video. Hopefully you guys got your snacks, got your drinks. Sit back, relax. It's gonna be a long one. Let's race. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the holler, not a creature was stirring, not even a former king. As they slept tight in their penthouse suite, when Christmas Day came, it was time for a race. Now, I'm not a rhymer, nor do I declare to be. But today is December 25th. The time has come for one of these monster trucks to become the first ever Hawkeye Holler Merry Monster Xmas champion. Who's it gonna be? Day 1 brought us Podium Crasher, and Day 2 brought us Red Hulk, but only one truck can move on to the next round. This is a best of 3. Who's it gonna be? Let's race. All right, this is a best of 3. They got the jump. They got a pile of cars to clear. Let's race. Whoa! Oh, look at this. Red Hulk strikes first. Oh, man. Switching lanes, doing them again. All right, it's Red Hulk gonna go 2 and out. Go. Oh, at the line.
At the line.
Oh, 2 wide at the line, but the Red Hulk is moving on to the next round.
Podium Crasher eliminated.
Day 3 brought us the Mecha Orca, but Day 4 brought us the Atomic Roger Dodger. Who will be moving on to take on the Red Hulk? Go. Man, these are the best of the best trucks, 2 wide at the line. But the Mecha Orca gets their first win. They need one more. Go. Oh. Another 2-and-out race sees the Mecha Orca move on to the next round to take on the Red Hulk.
Roger Dodger. Eliminated.
Day 5 brought us the Walrus, but Day 6 brought us the Dodge Charger. Oh man, who's it gonna be? Best of 3. Go. Oh, big crash.
Oh, big crash.
With trouble from the Charger, the Walrus gets their first win. Oh man, they need one more. All right, go. Another 2-and-out time. The Walrus is moving on.
The Dodge Charger. Eliminated.
Day 7 brought us Snakebite, but Day 8 brought us the Jurassic World Tyrannosaurus Rex. Who's it gonna be? Go! Oh! The T-Rex used that dairy delivery weight to push his way to the finish. They need one more. Go. Oh, wow.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, it was too wide at the line, but Snakebite gets their first win. We're going into a tiebreaker, the first one of the finale. Go. Oh, look at that!
Hey, look at that!
Oh, the chaos is starting to ramp up here on the Merry Monster Xmas finale. Snakebite moving on.
The T-Rex. Eliminated.
All right, from day 9 and 10, you saw Mr. Krabs and Leonardo. Sorry, Donatello. Go. Woo! Oh, we're starting to see a lot more action now. Donatello gets their first win, switching lanes, doing them again. All right, let's see if Mr. Krabs can do it again. Go. Sorry, Donatello, not Mr. Krabs.
Sorry, Donatello, not Mr. Krabs.
Well, I think I jinxed Donnie. I gave Mr. Krabs the win. Going into a tiebreaker. All right, who's going into the next round? Go. Oh! Mr. Krabs is moving on.
Donatello. Eliminated.
All right, day 11 and 12 brought us 2 heavyweights. The Volkswagen Drag Bus and the slick Dodge Charger. This one's gonna be great. Go. Oh, at the line!
line.
Oh my gosh, too wide of the line. The Charger came back and got their first win. They need one more. All right, can the drag bus fire back? Go. Oh, and he does. He may have crashed at the line, but the drag bus got their first win. We're going into a tiebreaker. Go. Oh! And the Dodge Charger defeats the drag bus.
Volkswagen drag bus eliminated.
Day 13 and 14 brought us a surprise winner with all beefed up, but a common winner with Roger Dodger. Who's it gonna be? Go. Oh! Roger Dodger gets their first win, but he bullied his way to that win. Switching lanes, doing him one more time. Maybe even two more times. Go. Ah. Roger Dodger's moving on, went 2 and out.
All beefed up, eliminated.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob. All right, days 15 and 16 brought us Spongebob Squarepants and Nacho Mamas. Go. Oh, at the line. Oh, SpongeBob gets their first win. Switching lanes, doing them again. All right, can Nacho Mamas fire back? Go. Woo, at the line again.
Ooh, at the line again.
Oh, and Nacho Mamas comes back with the win. Tiebreaker time. All right, who's moving into the next round? Go. Ooh. Oh, chaos everywhere, and I love it. All right, SpongeBob's moving on.
Nacho Mamas eliminated.
All right, day 17 and 18 brought us Chewbacca and the red Dodge Charger. Oh man, I think Chewbacca's gonna take it. Go. Oh, look at that!
Oh, look at that!
Oh wow, the Dodge Charger with the win. That's a surprise. Switch lanes, doing them again. Go. Oh, Chewbacca was going to let a second win get away. Time for a tiebreaker. All right, who's it gonna be? Ooh! Oh, and Chewbacca's moving on to the next round.
The Dodge Charger? Eliminated.
All right, day 19 brought us Bionic Bruiser, but day 20 brought us Recreational. Oh man, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be a great brawl. Go! Woo! My gosh. Oh, they were banging tires off the jump. A Recreational gets the win. They need one more. All right, go. Oh, whoa! Oh, we're sliding past the finish line, but Recreational's moving on.
Bionic Bruiser? Eliminated.
All right, day 21 and 22 brought us Town Hauler and Roger Dodger. Are we gonna see a third Roger Dodger move on? Go. Too wide of the line, but Roger Dodger gets their first win. Go. Nice.
Nice.
And my boy Town Hauler fires back with a win. Time for the tiebreaker. And go. Oh, at the line!
Oh, at the line!
And it's gonna be Town Hauler moving on to the next round, baby.
Roger Dodger? Eliminated.
Day 23 brought us Hotwire, and day 24 brought us our first Bigfoot. Well, first and final Bigfoot, I should say. Go. Oh man, Hotwire's fast. They get their first win. Oh, Bigfoot, you better wake up, buddy. Go. Oh, Bigfoot fires back.
Oh, Bigfoot fires back.
Oh, we're going into a tiebreaker. Let's do it. All right, who's it gonna be? Oh, Hotwire got the whole shot and he's moving on.
Bigfoot? Eliminated.
Oh, and the round of 12 is here. Don't forget the former kings are coming up pretty soon. Oh man, this is gonna be great. We'll be right back after this quick message. Coming next year to the channel, we got an old timers tournament. Little hubs, little wheels. Who's it gonna be? Oh, definitely make sure you subscribe and have that bell rung, because you're not gonna want to miss the old timers tournament. And welcome back, Hawkeye Holler Nation. Hopefully you guys are ready. We're getting ready to go into the round of 12. Now after the round of 12, we move on to the round of 6, but the round of 6 is interesting because we're going to take our 6 former kings and they're going to go up against the 6 winners from here. So we got a round of 12 and then another round of 12. If you feel me? Anywho, Merry Christmas. Let's keep coming up next. You got the Red Hulk taking on the Mecha Orca. The winner from this race will take on Hot Wheels Racing number 3. Go. Oh!
Hey!
Look at that, the Mecha Orca with the win. Switching lanes, doing them again. Go. Wow.
Yeah!
The Mecha Orca is moving on to take on Hot Wheels Racing number 3.
The Red Hulk eliminated.
All right, King. Get over there. We're all set up for the next round, but we got to continue this one first. Up next, you got the Walrus and Snakebite. Winner from this will take on Horsepower. And go. Woo! The Walrus using all that blubber to its advantage. They need one more. All right, go. Oh, Snakebite comes back.
Oh, Snakebite comes back.
Tell you what, we're going into a tiebreaker. It's anybody's race. And tiebreaker. Wow, look at that.
Wow, look at that.
And Snakebite defeats the Walrus.
The Walrus eliminated.
All right, Horsepower, you're taking on Snakebite. We're looking good here. All right, moving on to the next race. You got Mr. Krabs taking on the slicked Dodge Charger. The winner from this race will take on Mega Rex. Go. Wow.
Go. Wow.
And Mr. Krabs gets her done. They need one more. Go. Oh! Oh, the slick Dodge Charger goes down. Mr. Krabs is moving on.
The Dodge Charger eliminated.
All right, Mega Rex, get over here. Oh, man, this is stacking up to be great. Up next, Roger Dodger taking on Spongebob. The winner from this race will take on the slicked Twin Mill. Go. Roger Dodger gets her done in race 1. Can they do it again? Go. Wow.
Yeah.
SpongeBob's too busy doing donuts. Roger Dodger moves on.
Spongebob Squarepants eliminated.
All right, Twin Mill, get over here. Oh, yeah. Twin Mill versus Roger Dodger. This could be a classic. You got Chewbacca taking on Recreational. The winner from this takes on the Bully Dairy Delivery. Go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, they're fighting tooth and nail here. Recreational gets their first win. All right, go. Oh, Chewbacca lays her down.
Oh, Chewbacca lays her down.
Chewbacca, you tried. Recreational moving on.
Chewbacca eliminated.
All right, Dairy Delivery, get over here. Recreational, I'd be afraid of this guy. He's a bully. All right, coming up next, you got Hotwire taking on Town Hauler, and they'll take on Gungster. Go. Man, Hotwire's fast. They need another one. Go. Oh, Town Hauler fires back.
Oh, Town Hall fires back.
And just like that, we're going into a tiebreaker. Go. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Go Town Hauler, go, baby.
Hotwire eliminated.
All right, Gungster, get over here. Just like that, we have our Kings versus Contenders Round ready. And we'll be right back. Oh, it's good to be out. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm back. And I'm ready. We're gonna have fun, whether you like it or not. You guys can just call me the Traveler. All right, Kings versus Contenders Round is ready. Let's race. Up first, you got the Mecha Orca taking on Hot Wheels Racing number 3. All right, we know Hot Wheels Racing number 3 is our longest running king. Let's see what he can do here. Go. And the Mecha Orca gets their first win. Oh, man. All right. Let's see if the old timer can fire back. Go. And that's why he's no longer king. The Mecha Orca is moving on.
Hot Wheels Racing number 3 eliminated.
Next got Snakebite taking on Horsepower. All right, go. Oh, Snakebite with a win. They need one more. All right, are we going to see another king fall? Go. Oh, at the line.
Whoa. have a wine.
Yeah, the former King Horsepower fires back. Tiebreaker. Who's it gonna be? Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Another king goes down.
Horsepower eliminated.
All right, coming up next, you got Mr. Krabs and Mega Rex. Go. Oh. Oh, Mega Rex gets their first win. Are we going to see a king move on? Go. Oh, we will.
Oh, we will.
Oh, our first king moving on.
Mr. Krabs eliminated.
All right, up next, you got Roger Dodger taking on the Slicked Twin Mill. Go. Woo! Oh, Roger Dodger gets their first win. They need one more, baby. Go. All right. Oh, another king falls. Roger Dodger moving on.
Twin Mill eliminated.
All right, up next, you got the Battle of the Heavyweights. Recreational taking on Dairy Delivery. Go. Ooh. I told you he's a bully. Recreational gets his first win. Oh my gosh. Go. Woo-wee. All right, Recreational. You get a wreck to the finish every time, but you're moving on.
Dairy Delivery eliminated.
All right, coming up next is Town Hauler and Gunkster. Go. Oh, wow.
Oh, God.
Oh, Town Hauler gets his win, but barely. And go. Nice.
Nice.
Another king down. Town Hauler moving on.
Gunkster eliminated.
Just like that, we have a round of 6 ready to go. We only have one former king moving on. All right, we'll be right back. Oh, Hawkeye Hauler Nation, how you doing? Hopefully you're enjoying a Merry Monster Xmas. This little commercial break is for helping support the channel. If you guys would like to help support the channel, I do have merch down below. It is linked right down there. And you guys can get 10% off your order with code HAULER at checkout. It does help support the channel. Unfortunately, if you're looking for a Christmas gift, it's a little too late, but you guys can easily get yourself a New Year's Day gift. Why not? We go into the new year. Why not? Let's get some gifts for people. I mean, I haven't really heard of people getting gifts for other people on New Year's, but why not have you be the first? Also, I do have channel memberships. They are $2.99 a month, and they get you perks like priority comment responding, and you guys get your name right here, just like Hot Wheels Dad. He's been a pit crew member for a little over a month now, and it's really cool. So thank you, Hot Wheels Dad, for sticking around. I would love to see more of you become pit crew members, especially if you guys have smaller YouTube channels or YouTube channels in general, or if you have like crafts and hobby. You never know. Get your name right here, $2.99 a month. Also, are you guys into energy drinks? I'm into energy drinks. I always need energy drinks because if I don't have energy drinks, I go a little bit crazy. Just like that, because I haven't had my energy drink this morning. I have not had my Ray's energy drink this morning. If you guys are looking for a new way to kickstart your morning, help you work through those late nights, go down to that link right down there and get yourself some Ray's energy. Just use my code HHDNation at checkout. Get 15% off your order. It does help support the channel. With that being said, I've kept your time long enough. So let's send it back down to the holler and continue on with a Merry Monster Xmas. Oh man, we're getting down to the nitty gritty, Hawkeye Holler Nation. Oh my gosh, who's gonna be our first Christmas champ? Yeah, up first, Mecha Orca taking on Snakebite. Go. Oh wow. Snakebite gets the first win. All right, let's go. Wow, nice.
Yeah, nice.
Snakebite's moving on.
The Mecha Orca eliminated.
All right, who's gonna move on to take on Snakebite? Will it be the former King Mega Rex or Roger Dodger? Go. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Roger Dodger goes down. Mega Rex gets their first win. Oh my gosh, could we see a former king take this whole crown? Go. Oh, at the line. And Mega Rex is moving on.
Roger Dodger eliminated.
Gee, Snakebite and Mega Rex, that's going to be intense. But first, we got Recreational and Town Holler. Go. Oh, Recreational gets their first win. They need one more. Go. Oh, look at that dump!
Oh, look at that dump!
Oh, Town Holler playing dirty. Dumps Recreational. Gets his first win. Tiebreaker time. Oh, who's it gonna be? Oh. Recreational moving on.
Town Holler eliminated.
And just like that, we have our final 3 trucks lined up and ready to go. Snakebite, Mega Rex, and Recreational. All right, this is going to be a round-robin tournament. So what that means is we will see Snakebite and Mega Rex face off. The loser will then have to take on Recreational. You need 2 eliminations to be completely out of this tournament. Let's race. Go. Oh. Alright, Mega Rex got the win. Snakebite, you have to race again. Now you're taking on Recreational. Alright, Snakebite can't lose again or else he's gone. Go. He gone.
He gone. Snakebite eliminated.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. And just like that, the finals are here. You got a former king, Mega Rex, taking on the contender, Recreational, for the first ever Merry Monster Xmas champion. First truck to win, too. Mega Rex versus Recreational. Who's it gonna be? Go! Oh! Oh, and Recreational and Mega Rex bump tires. Man, they're getting feisty. Recreational with the first win. All right, are we going to see Recreational take it here? Or is Mega Rex going to fire back? Go. It's over.
It's over. Mega Rex eliminated.
Oh, listen to those fans go crazy. All right, everybody in the comments down below, congratulate Recreational on becoming the very first Hawkeye Hauler Merry Monster Xmas champion. Oh my gosh, very nice. All right, Hawkeye Hauler Nation, and just like that, it is a wrap for a Merry Monster Xmas. 25 days of straight monster truck diecast racing. Had a heck of a lot of fun with it. Hopefully you guys did too. Saw Recreational come, oh my gosh, stomp out all the competition, including a former king. 2 former kings, I should say. Dairy Delivery and Mega Rex. Not everybody can say they've taken out 2 kings in one day, but Recreational has. So very nice. I had a lot of fun with this. Hopefully you guys did too. Lots more monster truck diecast racing coming next year. Really looking forward to it. Now tomorrow you guys will see a little donation video, so hopefully you guys enjoy that as well. Definitely make sure you subscribe, have that bell rung so you never miss a future upload here on the channel. Don't forget to go follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. You can find those links down below. If you'd like to become a pit crew member and help support the channel, I do have channel memberships. They are linked down below. I'm also a Raise ambassador if you're into energy drinks, linked down below. Don't forget, running the sale on my Teespring. Not many days left. But with that being said, Merry Christmas, peace, love, and Hot Wheels, and I will see you guys next time here at the Hauler. Bye-bye.